I'm here at the Meeker days in Puyallup. This part is old Buicks. Whoever thought Buicks had some classic looking cars, but they do. And whoever thought Buick had a hearse. There you go. There's on some sharp looking Buicks. Back in the day in the 60s and 70s when they made muscle cars. This is a truck similar to the tractor my dad had, a little older than what my dad had. Man, I'll tell you what, they did a really good job of restoring all these. Look at the tires, the guy mentioned the tires are even fairly new, but you don't see them take these out much either. Never heard of Republic, but this is a 1917. One of the early days. More like a wagon on wheels. Do a motor on it. 1959 LeSabre. I never thought they'd look so cool, but they do. This is a 48. Look at that engine, how that well preserved that engine is. It's 49. This is a 41. Both these cars are 41s. I remember back in the day, up until the 60s, 70s, everybody was dedicated to a certain car, whether it be Buick, Oldsmobile, Chevy, Ford. But the 70s and 80s kind of screwed that up. Everything went generic. They went cheap. And there was no individuality after that. But here, you bought a certain car and you stayed with it the whole time. It's pretty cool.
One thing you can't forget.